Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and I have another food unboxing to share with you guys today. This one is from Munchpak. It's another snack subscription box service. They have snacks from all over the world. I had gotten this one before. You can check out my playlist called Subscription Boxes, and you can see those two videos. And at the time, I had gotten the small one, which is the mini, and that has 5+ snacks in there. This one is the original, and this one has 10+ snacks in it. And they also have a family size one that should have 20+ snacks in it. And they have just recently, I believe this past spring, raised the prices on all the boxes. So originally the mini cost $9.95 a box, and now it costs $12.95, and the original now costs, I forget how much it cost originally, but now costs $22.95, and then the family one now costs $42.95. You can get this every month, which is what I chose, every 2 weeks and weekly. And I had gotten an email from them last Friday, almost a week ago, with the flash sales. You get 50% off your first box. So that's what I used to get this. So it cost me like $11 and change. So there you go. And I had already opened this, and I took a quick little picture so I posted on my Instagram. And so I don't know what's all inside. I saw the top layer. So when you open the box, you get the information with the app, about the app, which is what I have right here. So I can start scanning to tell you where these snacks are from. And there's a postcard of who packed the box, and also about entering to win a free family pack. So take off the cover, and there's all the snacks. And like I said, I did take a quick peek at the snacks with the top layer when I took the picture. So this was the first thing I saw. I wasn't happy because I don't like spicy, and you can customize this box. Everything you can, if you like spicy, you can press the spicy button, or if you like more sweet, you can click that. Just a reminder, every time you click a certain item, you get charged $1. And you can also get drinks, but that costs you extra as well. Costs you, I think, $5 for a drink. That's not scanning. Anyway, this is Kern's Red Hot potato chips, and I think this is from the United States, Pennsylvania. I was hoping to get their tomato soup, or they have a pizza where I want to try. Instead, I get the Red Hot. Next, I do not know what this is. Let's try the scanning tool. And this is from Russia. Something with bacon. The ultimate crunch. These bacon-flavored rye bread strips are like croutons, if croutons were tasty enough to eat on their own. So I might be trying that later. Next, this is gooey. This is a sour lemon. This candy is super sweet, a little sour, and has a taste of lemon, and is super fun to nibble on. Pair up with some lemon cola for the ultimate lemon party in your mouth. And this is from Japan, and I think it's a little warm. I had gotten this right when the mail came. As soon as I saw the delivery, I went out there because I wasn't sure what kind of stuff is in here. Because if it's like gummy or chocolate, and in this heat in Vegas, it will melt right away. So, this is RJ licorice and raspberry, so at least it's not black licorice because that stuff is awful. And this is from New Zealand. I'll scan this in later. This has non-GMO, free from artificial colors or flavors, and it's nut free. This is Richter's Amore chocolate, and this is from Brazil. Delicious chocolate cookies are stuffed with a tasty chocolate cream. These chocolate on chocolate cookies are super yummy, like you're any sweet tooth, so probably like a Oreo. This even looks like an Oreo. These look yummy. Barcode. These are waffle. I'm not even gonna pronounce that. These are also from Russia. Vanilla waffle sandwiches. This treat sounds too good to be true, but is real and ready to be eaten by you. Under that. And I did get gummies, and they did get a little melted. So these will probably go in the refrigerator. These are habanero peaches. And they're made in Turkey, but they're manufactured in Rosemont, Illinois. I'm not a peach fan. I don't know if you've seen them, they have them in Dollar Tree and the grocery stores, the gummy bears, and the watermelon, cherry, and apple. I love the watermelon one. I haven't tried the other two because I love watermelon, so I haven't eaten those. Just putting out there, but yeah. I'm not going to be trying these. This is one big gummy. And this looks like a wafer cookie. This is also from Russia. Got a lot of Russian stuff. Arctic baked milk. Or probably thinking milk chocolate, a wafer cookie. Sweet, sugary, and crunchy. The Russian wafer is the perfect crunch snack for any time or place. Those. And I got boba nuts, the original in-shell almond. I saw this online. It's one of their new snacks, I believe. This is from the States. These almonds are the next level in the ultimate nut experience. Suck them and chuck them. That's what it says on my phone, but you can see that. And with this app, you scan the barcode and it tells you where it's from, and you can also add it to your cart if you want to buy them, if you like them. Let's even toast it. Suck 'em, shuck 'em. Let's chew 'em. And we got a Cocoa Delight, the real coconut cookie. And come on, barcode. And this is from let me see where it's from. I'm not sure. It's not scanned. Anyway, I think France. This one's from France. The real coconut cookie. And finally, we have the Dream Cream chocolate and vanilla sandwich cookie. And I probably think this is, that doesn't make sense. I think this is from France as well. Yeah, this is also from France. It's not working. So, what am I gonna try? Not these. I'll probably try one of these. I'm not going to try too many things. Well, I'm not trying that. That's too big. I'm going to try these. And maybe the licorice. And see what the cookies look like as well. I'm scared to try these. I have a feeling they're going to be really hot. And they're gluten-free. Obviously, I'm not going to try these. That would be a hot mess. Okay, let's try the licorice first. Definitely not your Twizzler. This is not bright red or anything like Twizzler or Red Vine. Definitely chewy. Not gummy bear chewy, but not bad. I'm going to try the two cookies next. Yep, definitely very Oreo-like, except it has chocolate in the middle. And it kind of tastes like an Oreo. A little bit better. Probably because it has chocolate in the inside and not vanilla cream. That's a long wafer cookie. You get 3 of them in here. Let's see that. See the layers. I'm going to take part of this. Put the rest back inside. I wish I knew. This is not chocolate. It's pretty good. I do like wafer cookies. Doesn't say what flavor it is though. And that's pretty good. And finally, I'm going to try this. I'm hoping this tastes pretty good. I mean, it's supposed to have bacon in it. You get a lot in here. It does look like a crouton. This one's called Tri-Crow. Yeah, this is what it. You can definitely taste the rye, and you can definitely taste the bacon. And if you go to their website, like I said, you can shop the snacks that you get if you like them. Sometimes they're not always in stock, but they're reasonably priced. This one costs like $2. And the cookies I tasted were $2. Well, the wafer cookies. These are $1. I believe the waffle ones, they're $3, but you saw the size, they're huge. So, and I'm probably guessing those potato chips are $2 to $3. So, if you shop in their shop. Cool. Oh well. Sorry. Not too bad of a box. I'm not crazy about the gummies, because one, it's like all melted together, but in Vegas. And to the potato chips. I kind of wish, because they're out of Arizona, Munchpak, I kind of wish that during the summer months, because it gets hot in Arizona as well, that they don't put like gummies or chocolate in there, because the meltage, because like other places that have chocolate don't ship out during the summer months for that reason. But that was one of the reasons why I decided not to get this again during the summer, because of that, and plus mostly because of the raised prices. But I gotta give it a go given the deal that I had gotten. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.